Okay, now that we've talked about how to work with exponents and how to do the power rule and the product rule with exponents for variables, now we're going to get into the true multiplication of algebra. And we're going to talk about now multiplying a monomial times a monomial. Remember, what does the word monomial mean? It means one term, one piece. And that means the number, the coefficient, is connected to the variable, the letter, by multiplication. When we multiply monomials in algebra, there is no paper trail. We could do that all up here in our head, just like in arithmetic. If I ask you guys to multiply 3 times 4, you have no work to show me. You know that monomial 3 times that monomial 4 would give me a product of 12. So if in arithmetic multiplying monomials means everything's done up here in the head, the brain, that's true in algebra. To multiply a monomial times a monomial, you'll do it all up here, which means I'll only see your answer, the product. Okay? The second thing I want you to understand is when you multiply a monomial times a monomial, your answer will always be a monomial. 3 times 4 is 12. 12 is one term. It is a monomial. We all understand what 12 means. So that's important. Every time you multiply a monomial times a monomial, your answer will be a monomial. Now, we've been doing this already. When we did the product rule and the power rule, we were multiplying monomials. I just didn't use that verbiage yet. So what we're going to do is concentrate on multiplying monomials in algebra. Again, I'm going to make you understand everything that we do is related to arithmetic. If you don't know your rules for multiplying with positives and negatives, I get it. This gets difficult. So we've got to go back over our rules. We know with numbers, when we multiply the same sign, if both numbers are positive or if both numbers are negative, the answer is always positive. Multiplying the same sign, the answer is positive. If we multiply different signs, one's positive and one's negative, the answer is always negative. So there's no thinking with multiplying. You have to know your facts. Multiplying the same sign, answer's positive. Multiply different signs, the answer's negative. That's the first thing I take care of when I'm multiplying. I decide whether my answer, my product's going to be positive or negative. The second thing we got to remember when we're multiplying is if we're dealing with variables, letters, the rule is we've already learned to multiply letters, all the letter X or all the letter Y, you add the exponents. So we're going to put all that together now and we're going to work multiplying monomials. So I'll see you in the video. Get ready.